Dear student, today we solve the problem on final account. The question is July 2017. The first read the question. From the following trial balance of Messrs. Vishal and Vaibhav, you are required to prepare trading account and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2013 and balance sheet as on that date after taking into consider the adjustment given. So we have to prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So trial balance as on 31st March 2013, debit balance and credit balance. Debit side, first we transfer to debit side. Salary and wages is profit and loss account debit side. Postage and telegram profit and loss account debit side. Opening stock transfer to trading account debit side. Plant and machinery is asset to transfer to balance sheet asset side. Import duty always transfer to trading account debit side. Purchase of goods to transfer to trading account debit side. Debtors is nothing but assets to transfer to asset side. Bills receivable is asset, transfer to asset side. Carriage outward, so carriage outward is nothing but carriage on sales, so always transfer to profit and loss account debit side. Wages and salary, so wages to transfer to trading account debit side. Printing and stationery irritated with stationery to transfer to profit and loss account debit side. Cash in hand is an asset, transfer to balance sheet asset side. Leasehold property, the property on lease transfer to asset side. Move towards credit side. Sales is sales of goods to transfer to trading account credit side. Sundry creditors transfer to balance sheet liability side. Bills payable balance sheet liability side. 10% bank loan, 10% bank loan, 10% is given, and below that give the information regarding loan taken is a hidden adjustment. So balance sheet liability side. Outstanding audit fees transfer to balance sheet liability side. Capital account, so capital we make the separate account for capital, so separate account is there. Below that adjustment is given. Closing stock is always separate adjustment. Postal stamps, the postal stamps is given. Postage and telegram. Stationery, take on stationery. Leasehold property is leasehold premises, adjustment on leasehold premises. Depreciation, plant and machinery. Take Mr. Rajan is our customer, became insolvent, could not be pay his debt. So customer is not paid his debt is nothing but bad debts. So click on debtors. No bad debts is given, so directly take on debtors. So according to we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. To make the trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. The trading account for the year ended 31st March 2013. All the items of trial balance one by one we transfer. Opening stock, trading account, debit side, purchases, wages, import duty, sales, profit and loss account, salary and wages, postage and telegram, or carriage outward, printing and stationery. Leasehold premises, asset side, leasehold premises, plant and machinery, debtors, bills receivable and cash in hand. 10% bank loan is a liability, creditors liability, bills payable and outstanding salary. And we for capital account we make the separate account for capital, to capital balance transfer to partners capital account credit side. So first adjustment we start. First adjustment is there. Closing stock was valued at 30,000. So dear student, you have to know that every adjustment is to effect. The closing stock is given. The stock is transferred to always transfer to trading account. The closing stock first effect trading account credit side. To go to the trading account credit side, write down the first effect closing stock amounting rupees 30,000. Write down here amounting rupees 30,000. First adjustment, first effect. Every adjustment there is two effect. So second effect, stock is asset to transfer to balance sheet asset side. To go to the balance sheet asset side, write down closing stock. Second effect, closing stock. Second effect write down same amount 30,000. Clear? The first effect completed. Second adjustment, move towards second adjustment. Postal stamps of rupees 250 and stationery of rupees 400 are unused. Unused is nothing but closing stock, which is not used, is known as closing stock. The first effect, postal stamps. The postal stamp will be transferred to postal stamps. Profit and loss account debit side. The postal stamps, postage and telegram. The closing stock unused. The stock is always less. The less from postage and telegram. Write down here closing stock 250 rupees. Postal stamps. Balancing figure is 1500. The stock of post. So transfer to balance sheet asset side. Second effect, go to the balance sheet asset side. Write down here stock of stamps. Second effect, amounting rupees 250. Clear? One more adjustment is given. Stock of stationery. To go to the profit and loss account debit side, stationery is given. So again, closing stock is always less. So less from stationery. Closing stock amounting rupees 4. Balancing figure 4,200. Second effect, stock is always asset. So transfer to balance sheet asset side. To go to the balance sheet asset side, write down here stock of stationery 400 rupees. Write down here 400 rupees. Yes, understood? Move towards third adjustment. Leasehold property, nothing but premises, is to be run for 10 years with effect from 1st October 2012. So this information is given for depreciation. To make the separate working note for leasehold property or leasehold premises. The formula is depreciation is equal to cost minus scrap value divided by estimated value or estimated life. Cost is given in the balance sheet amounting rupees 80,000. Write down 80,000. Scrap value is not provided in adjustment, so nil. 10 years is given in adjustment, to amounting rupees 8,000 for whole year. But depreciation is calculated for only for 6 months. So 8,000 for 6 months amounting rupees 4,000. Clear? The first effect, balance sheet asset side, leasehold premises. Write down here depreciation in bracket working note number 1. Calculate amount rupees 4,000. So less from 80,000 to 80,000 minus 4,000. Balancing figure is 76,000. Second effect, depreciation is nothing but loss. Loss is always transferred to profit and loss account debit side. To go to the profit and loss account debit side, to depreciation on premises 4,000. Next adjustment, depreciation plant and machinery at 10%. To go to the balance sheet asset side, plant and machinery, depreciation decrease in the value of asset. So less from plant and machinery, depreciation 10%. 10% of 70,000 amounting rupees 7,000. Outer column 73,000. Every adjustment check Second effect is there. Depreciation is loss. Loss transfer to profit and loss account debit side. To go to the profit and loss account debit side, depreciation on plant amount is 7,000. Clear? Move towards last adjustment. Mr. Rajan, our customer, became insolvent and could not pay his debt of rupees 1,500. So one customer who could not pay his amount or debts, so is known as bad debts. The bad debts. To go to the balance sheet asset side, debtors, adjustment on debtors, bad debts. To be write down here new bad debts. Amounting rupees 1,500. Total amount 45,800 minus 1,500. Balancing figure 44,300. Write down outer column. Every adjustment secondary is there. Bad debts is loss. Loss transfer to profit and loss account debit side. To move towards profit and loss account debit side, write down to new bad debts. Write down separate new bad debts amounting rupees 1,500. Clear? So all of 5 adjustment is completed, but one hidden adjustment is there. 10% bank loan taken on 1st October 2012. So, the hidden adjustment is there. So we make the separate working note for interest on loan. Working number 2. Total loan taken 60,000. Rate of interest is 10%, but loan is taken on 1st October 2012. So only for 6 month interest is given. So total calculation of interest is 3,000. So outstanding interest is 3,000. The loan is transferred to bank balance sheet liability side. Go to the balance sheet liability side. Outstanding interest. So we take the loan for 60,000 and interest. Outstanding interest is add. Outstanding always add. So outstanding interest on loan amounting rupees 3,000. 60,000 plus 3,000 total we give to the bank amounting rupees 63,000. So interest on loan we have to pay. So second effect, transfer to profit and loss account debit side. To go to the profit and loss account debit side, second effect, write down here interest on bank loan amounting rupees 3,000. Okay, so every adjustment is completed. So one by one close the account. First, always trading account. To go to the trading account debit side and credit side. To make the total of debit side and credit side. So credit side is heavier. To credit side is heavier. To make the total of credit side first, total amounting 1,40,000. Same amount write down debit side 1,40,000. Debit side total is 1,39,100. Write down here below that 1,39,100 to 1,40,000 minus 1,39,100. The balancing figure is 900. The credit side total is heavier. The balance is known as gross profit. Write down gross profit carried down. Gross profit carried down. Second effect, transfer to profit and loss account credit side. Write down here profit and loss account credit side. Gross profit brought down. Outer column 900. So same, make the total of profit and loss account which side is heavier? Debit side is heavier. The first make the total of debit side. Debit side total is total 40,000. Write down here 40,000. Same total write down credit side. Same total write down credit side. 40,000. 40,000. Credit side total is only 900. So 40,000 minus 900. Balancing figure is 39,100. Clear? Balancing figure 39,100 is loss. So down here by net loss transfer to capital account. Net loss transfer to capital account. Vishal and Vaibhav in equal ratio. The ratio is equal, so equally distributed 1:1. Second effect, go to the profit and partners capital account. Debit side to net loss 19,550. 19,550. Capital account total. Credit side is heavier, so 45,000. 45,000. 45,000. Clear? Balancing figure 25,250. 25,450. Sorry, 25,450. 25,450. Balance carried down. This balance transferred to balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side, write down capital account Vaibhav. So the first name is Vishal. Vishal. Second one is Vaibhav. Vishal balance for 25,450. 25,450. Clear? 25,450. 50,900. Make the total of liability and asset side. Liability side total 2,32,500. Same total asset side 2,32,500. Yes.